Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a very exciting Fendi bag unboxing. Yes, I have a handbag that I'm going to unbox for you guys. This is the new box with the handle at the top, making it very easy to unbox. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to tell you that this handbag, I could not resist because I really love this color. And yes, it is a color, but if you know me and my collection, it is more of a muted color. So here's the bag. Yes. And I couldn't walk away from this collection because this is a seasonal type of handbag. So I'm so excited to introduce to you guys my new Fendi Peekaboo. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? It is in the most delicious mint color with the water snake handle. I just died. Okay, I saw this on the website, but I could not walk away. I fell in love with the mint color. You know, it's that perfect like green, blue. It's like a neutral when I got my nano bag and I really wanted it in a bigger bag essentially. And you know, I love a Peekaboo because I love the fact that this has a top handle. It has the strap. Here's the strap too. But this color is so good, guys. Look at that. I mean, the handle's great. I love that this bag is so unique. I haven't seen it on anybody else, and I think it's such a special bag. And my essay did say that this handbag did commemorate the Peekaboo anniversary, which makes it even more special. This comes from the fall winter collection, in case you guys are interested in this particular handbag. I think it's beautiful. This is a handbag that's totally my style. I'll get so much wear out of it. And again, I think it even looks good with like what I'm wearing today. What do you guys think about this? It's that Celeria. So if you look at that beautiful pebbled leather. And yes, it does have silver hardware, but I think that looks so fresh, like much more of like a contemporary take against the mint, especially when you pair it against this water snake, which is like the grays, the creamy whites here. Let's see, you guys can see it here too. The strap. This is an adjustable and of course detachable type of strap. I will most likely wear this as using the top handle in the crook of my arm and as a crossbody. That's like my favorite way to wear handbags. Really don't wear shoulder bags that much. We do have feet on the bottom, and I know we all love handbags with metal feet. That divider. So I'll probably get a thin organizer because I do like my Peekaboos to have a little bit of flex more, so it's not so super stiff, but still support and obviously protect the inside of the handbag. And there is a zipper pocket, and it's got a beautiful suede inside that it's so luxe. Those are just amazing little details that I'm so excited. So my essay, she knew that I wanted this handbag, so she decided to request to have them bring it in, and then of course I would go check it out, and if I would want it, then I'd purchase it. This mint color, it's the perfect mint, and you know that that's been like a hot shade that a lot of other design houses have been bringing out. But this one in particular, I think they got this mint shade so right. And I've been wanting a Celeria Peekaboo in my collection. So you guys know I have that beautiful lilac Peekaboo, the ICU, but I just think that this gives just another just wonderful, unique bag into the collection. So I couldn't be more thrilled. I think it works well with the collection of the beige and brown handbags back there, and you know, my pop of muted colors. So yes, I'm so thrilled. One of those handbags I don't think I would be able to get if I didn't snatch it up now. I would have a very hard time finding this. Look at that. Looks really nice. Beautiful. Even the stitching, I think everything just works really well. I believe Megan has a Peekaboo in the mint color, and hers is more that woven leather, so beautiful. So we're essentially like mint twins, and I know a couple in the community have the mint color. So I love that I have this edition. So I have the nano baguette that I could probably even clip on as like a nice little baby accessory to this bag. Let me grab the nano baguette so we can just kind of see how the celeria and matches up. Yay! Oh, that is so cute. I love it. I just really love this mint color. It's so fun, and for somebody like myself that's getting more into color, it's just a great way to get into that. So cute. Look at that. I love how there's the celeria, the leather has much more of that texture, and then this is more of that smooth leather with the baguette. I think that's so cute together. Could not walk away from this beauty, so I think it's perfect. It's the perfect muted color for my collection, and I'm really just at this point just wanting to add more unique handbags to my collection. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Take care.